97 Bowman's best. 9. Okay. 97 Bowman's best. Hey guys, I mentioned I'm going to do something a little crazy from 9:30 until 10 o'clock. Next 30 minutes, triple big board from 9:30. No backsies. In other words, 9:30 moving forward till 10 o'clock. Not retroactive. 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Triple big board. So only for 30 minutes. Here we go. First pack goes to James Naylor. Good luck. Not a thing, pack 1. Pack number 2, Melissa. Guys, remember, triple big board. I'll leave the triple big board for the next, until 10 o'clock. Until 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Nothing in this pack. That's pack 2. Here is pack number 3. James. Atomic Refractor, Chris Webber. Not bad. Okay. Let's get the Webber sleeved up. That's James Naylor. Chris Webber. Spot 3. Okay, spot 4. Maxwell. Triple big board credit. From now until 10 o'clock. Cards get a little sticky. Spot 5. Maxwell. Here's spot 6. That was Scott McNulty. Here's spot 7, James Naylor. McGrady rookie. Checklist. Hall of Famer Tracy McGrady. Rookie card. Here's spot 8. James Naylor. Okay, we're a third of the way through. So far, we got an atomic refractor of Chris Webber. Spot 9. Danny Ferry. Okay. Remember when I'm doing triple big board from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, guys. How are we not taking advantage of that yet? There's still some nice stuff on the big board. All commons. Okay, spot 11, James Naylor. Looking for some Tim Duncan action. Donald Foyle, Roderick Rose. We're up to spot number 12. Johnny Taylor. All commons. Okay, we're on spot number 13. Very nice. Wow. Leighton. See there? It's a pretty card.
What you got? Kobe?
Not as good as I thought. It's probably still $40.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I thought this was a little bit better than that. Not a bad card. Spot number 13. James Naylor. Mirror image atomic refractor. Kobe Pippen. Second year Kobe. Nice card. Definitely well worth the $11 per pack. Lucky number 13. Here's spot 14. What's up, Max? Max Smart. Will come. Maxwell. Quadruple. I'm sorry, triple, excuse me. Quadruple. Triple big board for Maxwell. My man. Triple big board for Maxwell. That's from only 9:30 till 10 tonight. So far, the only one to take advantage is Maxwell. Spot 15. James Naylor. Tom Gugliotta. Still no Duncan yet. Here's spot 16. Scott McNulty. Antonio Daniels. Okay, that's the second third of the pack. Here is the final part of the wax of the box. So Rocco. Yep, triple. Guys taking advantage of that triple big board values. Triple big board. That's till 8 o'clock, till 10 o'clock, 9:30 to 10. Marcus Camby refractor. And you're also entered into our amazing 9 to 10 giveaway, which is a 61 Koufax, 63 Maris, and some spots. So it's an insane 9 to 10, and this here is all commons, spot 18. James Naylor. Okay, spot 19. Guys, triple big board for 20 more minutes. That's all you got left. Triple the big board. That's spot 19. James Naylor. The rest of the pack, or rest of the box, I should say, is yours. Good luck. Here's a Jordan. I have to look and figure out the entries into the autograph cards here. We have some special incentives on the autographed SGC cards. I got 2 of them sitting here. Here's spot 21.
Oh, what's you opening?
Bowman's Best Basketball.
Any refractors?
Got Chris Webber Atomic.
Ooh.
Yes.
Numbered?
No, they're not numbered. What's up?
Wow, they didn't number back in the day.
Yeah.
Let's want to drop this off. You know, originally I was going to do like a big board because even though it's global, it's actually like a very nice marriage, just a little off-centered. But I like this notion that you've been doing tonight where you're giving away these things, meaning vintage cards or some autographs, as on top of everything else.
Yeah.
So originally I had it as a big board, and then I said, well, I don't know about that. What about just what I crossed out and said, just as a bonus?
8 to 50.
Yeah, just the next 8 people,
Well,
and they still have all that stuff.
Yeah, I got to go through these because
Sure.
I have to catch up.
Well, they have a choice at least.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You have not gotten a Duncan yet, guys. Two Ed Grays in the same pack. Couldn't have been 2 Duncans, right? Okay. Last pack. Nope. No luck. Okay, Bowman's Best Basketball. 97, 98. In the book.